I've not even walked 1/3 of our property and I'm already beat. Tip for the ladies. You don't trust your keys, and you don't trust them staying in your pocket, put them on your bra strap. Just saying. Knowledge. Yeah. Follow for more expert advice. Anyways. Pretty sure I had a black widow on my foot. I'm thinking that's what that was. I tried to reverse Google image search that spider, and I'm pretty sure that was a black widow. And I feel bad when I just tried to scoot it off my foot with a stick. Like, I don't think it's gonna come after me, but like just get off my foot. And I think I crushed its legs or something, and now I feel bad. But I'm not gonna like go get it and rehabilitate it. You couldn't even find it now. I'm not doing all that. Found a plant I could talk about. Walking up this beast of a hill. I was driving. I was like, oh, right. Okay. Let's talk about it. This is a pine tree. I believe it is the Virginiana pine tree, also known as scrub pine. You can tell by the way it is. No, it's just, it's both beautiful and ugly. It's like scraggly pine, I like to say. It's scraggly. And kind of, let's see if I'm, kind of see it kind of scraggling, right? Uh-huh. Ochre. I recently did Woods and Wildlife for Your Pocket event where I spoke on foraging there. And I wanted to bring up the pine, specifically this one, because the heartwood is containing a flavonoid called pinostrobin. I may have mispronounced that. Could have been pinostrobin. There have been studies done recently on that flavonoid being anti-Alzheimer's. I think that's cool because actually majority of your flavonoids are anti-Alzheimer effects. Think of it as like something that has antioxidants in it is going to be beneficial for your brain. So the pinostrobin wood of the Virginiana scrub pine and certain other select pine trees, fabulous for it from my understanding. Look it up, look up the studies. I'll try to link one. And yeah, I don't know, I think that's fascinating. Needles, very high in vitamin C. However, they also like to hold on to something called forever chemicals, PFAs. So I think it's amazing that they help clean our environment, right? But if you're near a well-traveled road, don't be ingesting. Don't do that. Not by a highway, don't do that. So if it's on my ridge and I'm well up there, maybe a mile out from my road, because that's actually the rule of thumb for herbalists and people gathering just herbs and stuff. A mile away from any well-traveled road is going to be optimal for herbs because of pollutants and things. Stay in school if you're in school. Don't do drugs. And don't end up like that guy.